Alright, last week I booked my car in to get line lock installed at the performance shop. So here I am today at the performance shop to get it installed with coffee. It's the next day and I'm picking up the charger. Line lock's all installed, no issues there. Look at this button. So I got a switch and I got a button. I'm gonna take a look under the hood, see what it looks like. Alright, so I see some new pieces. Like all this stuff right here is like new. All that line, this line, every line that's not black is basically new. We got this cylinder here too. It's pretty good, pretty good. Show you real quick how this works. You just explained it to me. It's like real tight. So what I do is turn my master switch on and push the brake as hard as I can with the car in gear and hold the red button. Now my front brakes are locked and my foot is off the brake completely and it's in drive, so I'm not rolling, and now I can do a burnout if I want. And then I just put my foot back on the brake so I don't roll away. Turn my master switch off, and I'm good to go. All right, let's go test it out. Okay, car's in drive. Flick my switch. Hold that red button. Wait, before I hold the red button, press the brake. It's like almost as hard as I can, pretty much. Hold the red button. Let off the brake. My front brakes are locked, back brakes are open. They will hold. So I can get up to 1500 before it starts to push the car forward. But if I just like gun it, it'll just spin the tires. So hold the brake again so I don't roll away. Let go of my red button, and I felt the brake pedal push back up. Flick my switch off, and now it's deactivated. Put a car in park. Yeah, so now I have a line lock.